100, 21, 22 in front, £2,200, £2,300 bid, £2,400 with the whole winner at 24, 25 the inside, 26 in the room, £2,600 now. As he gets you online and into 227 there, 228 in front, 28 the bid, 29, got 28 the ball, sorry already, 29 sir. 29 there, thank you, £3,000 in front at £3 now. £3,000 bid. He's out the back, I think. Online's out short bid, sir. We finished that at £3,000. We're selling it all done there at £3 grand, 3-1. 3-2 bid. £3,200. Again in the hall at 32. We're looking at 33. It's at £3,200. Any interest at 33? Sure bid, sir. Sorry, £3,200. Online you're out at 32. That's selling it in the front at £3,200. £3,300. 30 was that a bid? Yep, £3,400 bid at £3,400. In the hall again at 34. Last chance selling it in the hall 34. Sold £3,400.